Take a look at your knees right now. If you are over 5'10", prepare for a battleground. Airlines claim they want your journey to be relaxing. But behind the marketing lies a brutal, mathematical reality. On modern planes, space equals pure money. Airlines are testing how tightly they can compress the human body. In fact, recent cabin updates have quietly stripped away even more room just this year. Today, we are counting down the 10 worst airlines for legroom. We are talking about seat pitches that are genuinely painful. And wait until you see the absolute record holder. Let's count them down. Number 10, Jet2. They style themselves as a friendly option for package holidays. But their 737s offer just 29 to 30 inches of seat pitch. They managed to pack 189 passengers into a single cabin. If you are tall, your holiday starts with a squeeze. Number 9, British Airways. Yes, the UK's premium flag carrier is on this list. Long haul is fine, but short haul flights have aggressively shrunk. On certain European routes, legroom drops to 29 inches of seat pitch. You are paying a premium price for budget line space. Number 8, EasyJet. The orange giant offers a standard 29 inches of seat pitch. To be fair, their slimline seats leave a tiny bit of shin room, but it remains a guaranteed knee cruncher on longer flights. Number 7, AirAsia. The budget king keeps base ticket prices remarkably cheap, but they achieve that by taking seat density to the legal limit. Their economy pitch hovers between 28 and 29 inches. You are absolutely trading your comfort for a cheap fare. Number 6, TUI Airways. TUI is highly popular for sunny holiday charters. However, their cabins are built for maximum passenger volume. You will be intimately acquainted with the seat in front of you. Their short-haul holiday routes, standard economy, offers as little as 28 to 29 inches of seat pitch. Number 5, Frontier Airlines. Frontier is famous for charging extra for absolutely everything. They treat your legroom with that exact same extreme scarcity. Their cabins offer an unforgiving 28 inches seat pitch. Number 4, Ryanair. The titan of European budget travel offers a flat 28 inches seat pitch. To save space, their seats do not recline at all. They have even completely removed the seat back pockets. For a £15 ticket, most people just tolerate it. Number 3, Wizz Air. Europe's other ultra-budget giant also matches at 28 inches of pitch. But Wizz operates massively long routes down to the Middle East. Spending 5 hours here feels like a claustrophobic experiment. Number 2, Vueling. Just when you thought 28 inches was the limit, enter Vueling. Spain's largest low-cost carrier takes a massive drop. Their high-density layouts plummet to a staggering 27.6 inches seat pitch. The seat is essentially an ironing board with a seatbelt. If the person in front shifts, you will feel it instantly. Number 1, the absolute undisputed champion of tight cabins is Cebu Pacific. Technically, their baseline seat pitch is 28 inches, but the way they arrange the aircraft creates a total nightmare. They ordered a custom high-density layout for their A320 Neo aircraft. They cram an unbelievable 194 seats into a single frame. For perspective, a premium line like JetBlue flies only 162. Cebu Pacific squeezed in over 30 extra passengers. They modified the galleys and moved the toilets out of the way. The middle seat here is the ultimate sardine tin experience. How to fight back. So, how do you avoid getting trapped in these knee crushers? Before you book any flight, head over to websites like Aeroloper or Seat Maps. Simply plug in your flight number to check the exact seat pitch of your aircraft. This is crucial because airlines frequently run completely different layouts on the exact same model of plane. One registration might give you decent room, while the next frame is a retrofitted high-density squeeze. Don't just trust the airline's generic seating chart when you book. A few seconds of research can save you from a miserable 4 hours in the air. Always double-check the seat map before hitting that book button. What is the tightest cabin you have ever had to survive? Let me know the airline down in the comments below. Please consider subscribing for more aviation top 10s. Thanks for watching Tango Oscar Papa 10. Safe travels.